The last thing to grow on the tree is the fruit. Most people that want to make money online, they want to start an account, they want to put up an affiliate link, they want to start a stand store, they want to start an Amazon shop, they want to start a TikTok shop, which is why I'm doing this. It's usually click the link. In my link, you will find one thing, and one thing only, maybe a link to the YouTube as well. But people want the fruit first. You have to pick out the seed. You have to pick your niche. You have to pick what you want to do. You have to plant it. So you've got to put the effort into planting it. You've got to water it, which means you've got to water it every day. You've got to go back to it, make sure it's not drying out. You've got to give it the things it needs to grow. So you've got to go back and post every day. You've got to create content every day. You've got to put the effort in. And if you give it water and you put it in the right place and you tend to it and you weed around it and what have you, and the seed starts to grow, you still need to take care of it. You need to make sure that you keep doing those things and it will keep growing. And eventually, as it grows, you will get that tree. And what will happen, you will start to get a ton of fruit from the tree. But what you need to do is put in the effort and the energy first. And people want the fruit first. It's not going to grow magically on its own. You're going to have to put in the time, the effort, and the energy if you want that reward at the end.